Kerala, the God's own country, is a land of splendid beaches, emerald backwaters, handsome hill stations, and wildlife retreat. Woven with a string of folk dances, traditional music, temple traditions, and vibrant festivals, Kerala culture is a glittering mosaic of a long standing vision of an outstanding antiquity. Festivals are celebrations of heart and soul of any culture, and Onam is one among those festivals. The end of monsoon in Kerala commences the beginning of harvest in Kerala. Onam festival falls during the Malayalam month of Chingam, which is August to September. Onam is a reminiscent of Kerala's agrarian past, and it's considered to be a harvest festival, which is also known as the Festival of Flowers. It is a festival of joy and enthusiasm. The rich cultural heritage of Kerala comes out in its best form and spirit during the 10-day festival. A long time ago, an Asura, a demon king called Mahabali, ruled Kerala. He was a wise, benevolent, and judicious ruler and beloved of his subjects. Soon his fame as an able king began to spread far and wide. The gods felt challenged and began to fear his growing powers. Presuming that he might become overpowerful, the Devas pleaded with Lord Vishnu to curtail Mahabali's powers. Vishnu transformed himself into a dwarf named Vamana and approached Mahabali while he was performing a yajna and asked for alms. Pleased with the dwarf Brahman's wisdom, Mahabali granted him a wish. The Vamana asked for a simple gift, 3 pieces of land, and the king agreed to it. Vishnu, in the guise of Vamana, then increased his stature and with the first step covered the sky, blotting out the stars, and with the second straddled the netherland. Realizing that Vamana's third step will destroy the earth, Mahabali offered his head as the last step. Vishnu's fatal third step pushed him to the netherland. But before banishing him to the underworld, Vishnu granted him a boon. Since he was attached to the kingdom and his people, he was allowed to return once a year from exile. Onam is a celebration that marks the homecoming of King Mahabali. It is the day when a grateful Kerala pays a glorious tribute to the memory of this benign king. The celebrations of Onam start on Attam Day, 10 days before Tiruvonam. The 10 days are part of the traditional Onam celebrations, and each day has its own importance in various rituals and traditions. Earthen mounds, which look somewhat like square pyramids representing Mahabali and Vamana, are placed in the dung-plastered courtyards in front of houses and beautifully decorated with flowers. Known as Ona Pookalam, it is a carpet made out of gathered blossoms with 1 or 2 varieties of foliage of differing tints pinched up into little pieces to serve the decorator's purpose. It is considered a work of art, accomplished with a delicate touch and a highly artistic sense of tone and blending. Young children, especially girls, are often entrusted with the task of gathering and laying out the flowers in elaborate patterns. Competitions are held on Onam Day to celebrate this floral design. In other words, Pookalam is made to welcome King Mahabali, who comes to meet his subjects once in a year. Onam also helps to create an atmosphere of peace and brotherhood by the way of various team sports and activities organized on the day. Kaikottikali is an extremely popular folk dance performed by the maidens of Kerala. It is a group dance and is mainly performed on the occasion of Onam. Women, both young and old, submerge themselves in the spirit of the occasion and dance with perfect ease. Kaikottikali is regarded as an extremely elegant dance form, as the lasya or the beauty element
കുട്ടനാടൻ പുഞ്ചയിലെ കൊച്ചുപെണ്ണെ കുയിലാളെ കൊട്ടു വേണം കുഴൽ വേണം കുരവ വേണം.
Another enchanting feature of Onam is Vallamkali, the snake boat dance held on the river Pampa. It is a colorful sight to watch the decorated boats hovered by hundreds of boatmen amidst chantings of songs and cheering by spectators. Pulikali is a colorful recreational folk art form of Kerala. It is performed by trained artists to entertain people on the occasion of Onam. In this, performers take the guise of tigers. They paint their bodies yellow with patterns of black and red. Tug of war, also known as a sport that directly pits two teams against each other, is a test of strength. This is another sports activity that's held as part of Onam. How can you expect a festival without a feast? The central feature of Onam is the grand feast known as the Onasadya, prepared on Tiruvonam. It is a 9-course meal consisting of 13 to 14 essential dishes. Onasadya is served on banana leaves and people sit on a mat laid on the floor to have the meal. The beauty of the festival lies in its secular fabric. People of all religions, castes and communities celebrate the festival with equal joy and verve. Onam is undoubtedly the most spectacular festival of Kerala. One needs to experience its magnificence in person. Even though Onam originated as a Hindu festival, it is celebrated all over the state by people of all communities. Every year, Onam festival ends with the belief that the upcoming year will bring everyone happiness, joy, wealth and peace. I wish you a very happy and prosperous Onam.